Okay, so just got here to Blue Pool. We're doing a little Oregon trip this weekend, hitting this spot and hopefully Coosa Falls tomorrow, which I haven't jumped yet, so that was gonna be sick. And yeah, I just got here in the parking lot, and actually I'm not even in the parking lot. I'm on the side of the road because the parking lot is completely full. I've never seen it this packed here, but it is like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I think I'm gonna head down, try to find my other buddies. I came in a little late, so gonna go find them, hike in, and then start hooking ourselves off some cliffs. Let's do this.
Je suppose que tu as des affaires à régler car le soleil va se coucher.
I gotta go, I got some business to take care of. The sun's gonna be coming down.
No wetsuit here.
No wetsuit.
You skier, guys.
Hey, you guys ready?
I got some business to take care of. The sun's gonna be coming
down. We're hiking back from Blue Pool. We had a good little session today. Blue Pool's an interesting spot just because it's so clear looking down into the water that it's actually really hard to jump because the pool is like 30 feet deep, but you look straight down to the rocks at the bottom. So when you're falling, you can't tell when you're gonna hit the water. Did you struggle with that today? Or was it just me?
We had to throw a lot of rocks today.
Yeah,
really
that too.
The height.
It's a tough one, but at the same time, it's like I said, it's so beautiful. We're so lucky to just go to these spots to hang out sometimes. Aside from the jumping, like it's unreal where we get to go to do this. So yeah, there's positives and negatives of it.
Next stop, Coosa Falls.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be sick either way. Right now we're gonna go soak in some hot springs and get ready for tomorrow. Like, you know what, jumping off the waterfall is cool and all, but I just want to take a running start, jump off this log, through the trees. 70-foot gainer? Dude, that would be so sick. The other possible takeoff is that log right there. It sticks out just enough that I think we can run off, and it puts you directly in the foam at the bottom. So it'd be so perfect. I think everyone else is rolling in right now. We're gonna go depth check, put our suits on, just get everything ready. Still waiting for Nick, I think, and a couple others. But we're gonna go down and at least kind of start scoping it out from the bottom. Really start visualizing it. That's half the game with cliff jumping. You just got to get in your head. You got to plan out what you're going to do. And if you think about it for long enough, you just get up there and let your body take control and go off instinct. So, yeah. My buddy Jay is depth checking right now, and he just tried to depth check right here where you see the whitewater coming down and immediately got kicked right back to the side. So we're gonna try to take a different route. He's way over on the far side right now, and just try to come into the back of the waterfall where it's a little more calm and see if he can dive down under and then shoot back up in the middle, because you can't swim out to the middle because it's raging too hard. As long as we're gonna say about, as long as it's like 12 to 14 feet deep, because it's a 70 footer, it's game on after that. I'm feeling confident. I think it'll be deep. Whew. That current, it's hard to swim around in there. You can only get so close to the falls, then you have to dive under and try to do the rest underwater. But honestly, it looks pretty good. If they land like right in that whitewater, it's like 20 feet deep. We're still gonna do one more depth check on this far side where we haven't been able to get out yet because of the current. But oh my God, look at this place. Look at how blue that water is. What do you think?
Yeah, he's gonna depth check that part. He's got a lighter wetsuit and he's heavier than me, so I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But he's gonna try.
He's just the ultimate man.
Yeah, dude. If Brandon can get his head about 2 or 3 feet underwater, get under that initial whitewater, you can see how deep that pool is. The water's so clear.
Yeah.
I weigh 100 pounds. I got a 3/4 wetsuit on, so I'm buoyant as hell. He might be able to get down there a little bit deeper and see what's up.
Yeah, boy.
Sick. Natural 70-foot diving board.
Natural
Biggest
diving
straight
board.
ass
I don't know if I've ever hit such a scary diving board.
Yeah, that was the most terrifying jump
That
I've
was
ever
actually,
done.
yeah, one of the most insane
That was
things I've ever
retarded.
seen. Thanks to this guy right here. He was the one to do it first. Gotta have the guinea pig.
Yeah, let's do it at any
Walked up and was
time.
like, "All right,
Wagon.
guys." So that's the log we just jumped from right there. So crazy. You like gotta tiptoe out on the end of it and then just boost out, and you land right in the whitewater where it's super soft. So it's like, it's the safest jump here, which is crazy that it's, you know, a natural log perched on the end of this waterfall. Look at that thing. Life's so good, dude. This is amazing. We might dip back to the hot springs, just hang out. We accomplished all our goals. Everyone crushed it. Everyone got out safe. Couldn't ask for a better day. So hyped right now. Woo!
Oh my God, Robert Wall!